Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest campers reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of power, capability, and innovation with the 2026 Toyota Terramax 6x6. A true beast of engineering, this six-wheeled powerhouse redefines what's possible in the world of off-road performance and luxury utility. First, let's talk about the interior. Toyota has pushed boundaries with the 2026 Terramax 6x6, combining rugged durability with premium comfort. Step inside and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a high-end SUV than a hardcore off-roader. The dashboard is modern and intuitive, featuring a massive 14-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest infotainment interface. Premium leather seats, brushed aluminum trims, and ambient lighting create a refined yet functional atmosphere. The cabin also offers heated and ventilated seats, a premium JBL sound system, and multiple USB-C ports for every passenger. With a panoramic sunroof and ample legroom across both rows, the Terramax delivers unmatched comfort for long adventures. Now, moving to the exterior. The 2026 Toyota Terramax 6x6 is a visual powerhouse. Built for both presence and purpose, it features an aggressive stance, widened wheel arches, and a reinforced aluminum body designed for maximum strength. The six-wheel configuration not only enhances traction, but also gives it a commanding look. The truck rides on 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, while the raised suspension and underbody protection make it ready for any environment. The LED matrix headlights, bold grille with integrated light bar, and signature Terramax badging add to its imposing personality. Whether conquering desert dunes or muddy trails, this truck means serious business. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Terramax 6x6 is built to dominate. Under the hood lies a 5.7-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine producing a staggering 700 horsepower and 850 newton-meters of torque. Power is distributed to all six wheels through Toyota's advanced multi-terrain drive system, offering exceptional control in sand, snow, or rock conditions. The adaptive suspension automatically adjusts to changing terrain, ensuring a smooth ride even in extreme off-road situations. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, while the triple differential locks guarantee maximum grip. Despite its size and strength, the Terramax maintains surprising on-road composure, blending brute force with refined drivability. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Toyota Terramax 6x6 is a flagship model designed for serious adventurers and collectors. With a starting price of around $285,000, it's far from ordinary. But for those seeking the ultimate off-road machine with Toyota's reliability, it's worth every cent. That price includes its bespoke engineering, hybrid performance system, and handcrafted interior detailing. Toyota offers multiple customization options, allowing owners to tailor the Terramax to their preferred adventure lifestyle. When you buy this truck, you're not just getting a vehicle, you're owning a statement of power, technology, and prestige. To sum up, the 2026 Toyota Terramax 6x6 is an extraordinary fusion of capability, performance, and advanced engineering. It pushes the limits of what an off-road vehicle can be, delivering a mix of ruggedness and refinement unlike anything else on the market. Whether you're exploring untamed terrains or simply want to command attention wherever you go, the Terramax 6x6 delivers on every level. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.